Hey y'all, hope you're doing well. Wanted to do a quick tutorial here on something that every now and then in a project I'm like, oh, I wish the number counter did this. And it's this one right here. So let me refresh the page here and you'll see what I mean. It has a dollar sign with it. And so you would think, we have the percentage sign back here in elements, percent sign on or off. I wish there was a dollar sign on or a currency sign, and then you could pick your currency. That would be great. So let me go ahead and so you'd think what you would do is just go in here and say, okay, dollar sign, and save it. And of course, it goes to that NaN, not a number thing, and then it's going to show NaN until it counts up, and it just jumps to 10,000. And the percent sign is all huge, not what we want. So here's what you do. You go in, you get rid of this here, and then we're going to flip over and use the new freeform CSS here. So selector is the first part. And then I'm just going to inspect this real quick. And I see that the number is wrapped in this percent value. Yeah, recently when I try to like Command C copy out of inspect element, it doesn't do it. I don't know what's going on. Chrome needs to fix that. But percent dash value, it's a span class. Okay, cool. There we go. I got to put my dot there because it's a class. And I'm going to say I want the dollar sign to be before the number. So we'll say before, open up some brackets. And I'm going to say content. And put my dollar sign in. And now I'll go ahead and save this. There we go. But it's a little wonky. Like it's so big and everything like that. This is my like a playground site that I have for Divi. And I actually already did some of this, so I'm just going to grab this rule instead. I added font size, font weight, position relative, and a bottom value like that. So it's all kind of nice and lined up. And there you go. That's how you can add a dollar sign in your number counter. All right. Hope you all enjoyed this. Hope you all are doing great. Cheers, y'all. Stay fly.